Today I'm going to be doing some wall repair using this dry deck spackling from DAP. Let's open this stuff up and see what we got here. Oh, look at that. Kind of reminds me of that bazooka bubble gum. You remember that stuff? So I'm going to start by pushing in these screw holes with the back end of my drywall knife here. You could use a hammer if you got one. I like to use about a 4-inch knife like this, but it doesn't fit into the container. Oh no, what will I do? This is top secret stuff here, so don't be telling anybody about these tricks. So there's no other prep needed. I'll just apply this directly over the holes. Normally it would just be one swipe with other products I've used, but this stuff kind of does have like a bubblegum consistency. It's kind of sticky, so I'm just gonna clean off any extra here. And it looks like I may have to do this twice. You don't want to leave any extra spackling on the wall because you're just gonna have to sand it off. So it looks like this stuff works more better with a smaller 1.5-inch putty knife. This stuff's pretty neat. It turns from pink to white as it dries. If you still have a low spot, you could just fill it in again. Everything's nice and dry and I'm ready to start sanding here, so I like to put a piece of tape on the wall to catch some of the dust. I'll use a fine sanding sponge to smooth it out. When you're done sanding, you should be able to see the paint through the patch like this. I'll hit these spots with a coat of paint, let it dry, and then I'll paint the whole wall. Thanks for watching.